Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to add section titles in SurveyMonkey. The first thing I want you to do is come to the left hand panel and click on Build. And now on the right hand side, you'll see a bunch of different options. I want you to scroll down until you see text. Now, click on this and then drag and drop this to your page. So I'll drop it right here and now we can begin entering text. So let's name this section 2. There we go. You can name this whatever you want. And now I'll click here on Advanced Editor. Of course, you can just make this bold and italic from here as well. Even underline this if you like. But I'll click on Advanced Editor because I'll show you different options. We can also change the font, right? Even the font size. And you can do a lot more other things. Just make sure you have it highlighted when you're changing it. Okay, so let me name this properly. There we go. Now we can go ahead and press on OK and make sure you save it. And this is what it would look like. And it's really that easy to add section titles in SurveyMonkey.